Children, good morning once again. Now I will discuss about construction of ray diagram for a lens. For a lens. Very important part, that is construction of a ray diagram for a lens. A ray diagram is determine the position and characteristic of the image formed up by the convex lens or concave lens is drawn following the steps given below. Children, this is main point. Draw a line PQ across the paper. Name it is the principal axis. Choose a point O on the principal axis. Choose O is the point on the principal axis as the optical center. Draw the convex lens and its principal section by vertical line pass through O. That is this point. It is the lens and PQ pass through O. Okay. For a thin lens, we shall show the light rays to bend at this line instead of bending them at the two surface of the lens. Okay, children. Second point. Second step. Choose a proper scale and mark two principal foci. Proper scale means PQ is the principal axis. If F1 is 2 centimeter, then F2 is also 2 centimeter from the optical center. 2 centimeter. Proper mark. Okay. So F1 is the first focus and F2 is the second focus. Now we consider that article number 3. If draw a straight line AB on the principal axis to represent the vertical linear object of the given height at the given position according to the scale chosen point. That is PQ is the principal axis, F1 is the first focus, F2 is the second focus, and AB is the object. Fourth point. Draw one ray of light AO. This diagram AO from the top of point A of the object passing straight through the optical center O of the lens without deviation. Okay, AB is the object. This ray passes from this point to the lens is undeviated. Okay. Next, draw a second ray of light AD, which is parallel to the principal axis. PQ up to the lens. After refraction, this ray will pass through the focus F2, that is this point, and it cuts at the A dash point. Same process. In the second part, for the secondary, it passes through the focus, then it bends and moves to the parallel direction of the principal axis. For the second ray, the other choice can be drawn a ray AD dash from the top of a point A of the object passing through the first focus f1 and then up to the lens after refraction. This ray becomes parallel to the principal axis PQ as D dash A dash. That is D dash A dash. Focus and bends to parallel and bend it and parallel to the principal axis. Okay. 6 point. The point A dash where two refracted rays meet or appear to meet at that point A dash. By drawing a perpendicular A dash B dash, A dash B dash is the object of image. It is the A dash B dash is the image of the object AB. It is real. Okay, children? Same process. If object at this point before F2, then image that is at this point will be image at this A dash B dash, because the same procedure is adopted to draw the ray diagram for concave lens. In a concave lens, the focal f1 is on the right is optical of the center. Optical of the center. F1 is the right point. F1 is the right point of the optical center. And focus F2 on the left side. F2 is the focus on the left side. Right? F2 is the focus on the left side. And this, after refraction, then the ray AD dash, appearing to meet at the focus F1 will become parallel to the principal axis as D dash Z. D dash Z, that is D dash Z. After diffraction, the refracted rays, when produced backwards, meet at A dash. Thus, A dash is the virtual image of the point A of the object. For the object AB is the virtual image is A dash B dash is the virtual image. Okay, children. Good day. Thank you.